When I went into my graduate research, I was the oldest person in my class, and my degree is called Mind Brain Education. And I never knew there was a difference between the mind and the brain. And that automatically just created all kinds of wow in my head. And I began to understand why I did the things I did. And people think they're the same thing. And your brain is the actual physical mechanism in your head. But your mind are your thoughts. And the thoughts change the way the physical mechanism works. So they work hand in hand, but they're not the same thing. So when I learned that, I knew I wanted to use gratitude, because I went into my studies knowing gratitude was important. I'd learned that from one of my students. And I told my professor I wanted to use my capstone research in gratitude. And I encountered a little resistance at first, but I kept studying, I kept reading. I found out there were over 500,000 studies on gratitude, and I fought the whole way to make sure that this message could be proven scientifically. And I now look back at him and I'm so grateful he was so hard on me, because he knew I would encounter trouble along the way and people would think this was a fluffy skill. And I know my science thanks to him.